What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at switch statement. Now let's see how it is going to be. First I'm going to introduce an integer type of variable, integer age, and let's say age is equal to 3, and switch. Here the condition is going to be the age. Switch the condition is age. Based on the age, we are going to have cases. We can create as many cases as we want. Here I'm going to create 3 cases. Case 1, system.out println, and if the age is 1, it will go to case 1. So we are going to say you can crawl, and then break mean it will just end right here, otherwise it will keep going until it sees the break. So this is first case. I'm going to copy this one and paste it twice. Copy, paste it right here, and paste it one more time. And this is going to be case 2. In the case 2, if the age is 2, we are going to say you can talk, and if the age is 3, we are going to say you can get in trouble, you can get in trouble, and default. If the age is anything other than that, we are going to set a default. And here we are going to say I don't know how old you are. Now here you can see we introduced the age with 3, so it should go to the case 3. In case 3 we have mentioned you can get in trouble. So when we run this one, it should print out you can get in trouble. So if you change the age, if you put age 1, it will go to the case 1. So let's put that one here. Case 1, you will get you can crawl. And if you put case 2, if you put age 2, you will get you can talk. But if you put anything other than that, for example, if you put age 7, it will go to default. So any other age than 1, 2, 3, it will go to default. If you put 7 right here, it should display I don't know how old you are. So let's run this one, and here it's saying I don't know how old you are. And that's how switch statement works. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.